Hello friends, today in this video I will be giving you information about the houses of Indian Parliament. Parliament of India consists of the President of India and the two houses which are the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. The sessions of Parliament are held in the Parliament House in New Delhi. Here, the members of parliament discuss various issues and make laws which are applicable to whole of India. The Lok Sabha is also known as the lower house of the parliament. But do you know why Lok Sabha is known as the lower house of the parliament? Because Lok Sabha is located on the ground floor of the Parliament House. The members of Lok Sabha are directly elected by the citizens who are above the age of 18. There are total 545 members in Lok Sabha and the members of Lok Sabha are elected for a term of 5 years. Now, if you want to become member of Lok Sabha, what are the eligibility criteria for it? First and the most important is that you should be a citizen of India. Second, your age should be at least 25 years. Third, you should not have been sentenced to any imprisonment or custody. And fourth, most important thing is that you should not have been declared as an insolvent. Now what is insolvent? Insolvent means a person who is not able to pay his debit which he has owned from bank. That person we called as an insolvent. So 4 criteria are required if you want to become member of Lok Sabha. First is that you should be a citizen of India. Second, your age should be at least 25 years. Third, you should not have been sentenced to any custody or imprisonment. And fourth, you should not have been declared as an insolvent. What is the role of Lok Sabha Speaker? The members of Lok Sabha elects one of their parliamentarians as their speaker. The Lok Sabha speaker is like the head of the body, means he conducts all the proceedings of the house. The Lok Sabha speaker has to ensure that all the members of the Lok Sabha are following the rules and regulations of the parliament. Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament. But do you know why Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament? Because in Rajya Sabha there are more educated people, and second reason is that Rajya Sabha is located on the first floor of the parliament. The members of Rajya Sabha are not elected directly by the citizens, and maximum number of seats in Rajya Sabha is 250. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of 6 years. If you want to become a member of Rajya Sabha, then your age should not be less than 30 years. The Vice President of India is the chairman of Rajya Sabha and is responsible for all the affairs of Rajya Sabha. Members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are collectively called as Members of Parliament, or we can say MPs. MPs enjoy right of freedom of speech, but it does not mean that they can speak anything. Opinions expressed by MPs in the Parliament cannot be questioned in the court of law. Leader of the opposition is supposed to review the policies and programs of the government, and if the government is not performing well, he has to highlight the failures of government and also suggest how to fix that problems. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really hope you have got the topic, the houses of Indian Parliament, and the basic idea about the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha.